GoPro used to only sell hardware, aka physical products such as their cameras. And they still sell their fantastic cameras, only now they have a subscription service, an app, and cut out unprofitable segments of their business. Subscription business models are a superior business model because they are high margin and offer consistent revenue. GoPro has had a few good quarters in a row and appears to be on a good trajectory. This is why I became bullish on GoPro. Now let's quickly cover their latest quarterly results. To start off, GoPro's cameras are selling well, and it's important to highlight that it's their most expensive camera that is selling the best. This is great because it means that GoPro's brand is strong, they offer a great product, and they'll have control over price going into the future. I've used GoPro cameras in the past, and everybody loves them. This is why GoPro was even on my radar. Next, the deciding factor in me purchasing GoPro was the fact that they have a subscription business model. Let's take a look at how that's going. Here we have GoPro's subscription growth. Both the number of subscribers and the revenue generated from these subscriptions is parabolic. The team has said that signs suggest retention will be high. So the customers that are currently on a promotional trial of the service will continue to use it when the time comes to renew their subscription. Since the annual subscription is $50 and the profit margin is approximately 80%, not only will this be a good revenue grower, it will also be phenomenal at increasing margins and profitability. If you take nothing else away from this video, remember this image. This is the #1 reason I'm invested in this company. Revenue came in at $317 million, which represents 10.6% year-over-year growth. It's great to see double-digit revenue growth, and I do expect this to continue. EPS came in at 34 cents a share compared to 20 cents a share expected. This is a pretty substantial beat, and it makes for 5 profitable quarters in a row, with the most profitable quarter in the year coming up next. I expect GoPro to become even more profitable in the future, and here is why. GoPro raised gross margin guidance for 2021 from 39 to 41% all the way up to 40 to 43%. During the conference call, Nick Woodman, the CEO, said, non-GAAP gross margin in the quarter was 43.8%, up from 36.2% in Q3 2020. Sales of our higher-end cameras increased direct-to-consumer revenue, and 143% year-over-year growth in GoPro's subscription revenue drove the gross margin improvement. This is absolutely huge, and here again we see that higher-end cameras are selling best. It's important to recognize that GoPro's management has a bit of a shaky history. They tried selling a drone, which was a complete failure and an expensive failure at that, and the CEO, Nick Woodman, has done some very questionable things. He was even ranked the worst CEO at one point, but he appears to have put all this in the rearview mirror, and he's been doing an incredible job turning this company around. If I had to give 3 reasons why I love GoPro, it would be this. 1, they quit doing stupid things like selling drones, and the company is more focused. 2, they have a monopoly on action cameras. And 3, their subscription service is going to catapult their profitability. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and consider subscribing. Until that next one, peace.